You wear a long, leather coat. A mask with a bird-like beak covers your face. The stench of death is so thick you can taste it. You are the only hope for thousands, but you have no idea what you're doing. Welcome to the year 1347, the peak of the Black Death. And you? You're a plague doctor. Good luck. You were once a barber's surgeon, not a real doctor, but close enough. When the plague hits your city, desperate town officials hire you. You are given a strange leather outfit, a wooden cane, and a mask stuffed with herbs. They say you'll protect yourself from the miasma, the bad air causing death. You don't argue. You need the money. And besides, everyone else is running. You're one of the few going toward the dying. Every morning, you walk the empty streets of Florence. The city is silent except for screaming, coughing, and church bells. You visit homes where the sick lie rotting in their beds. Some are blackened with buboes, others vomit blood. You poke their bodies with your cane. You take notes, you whisper prayers. You have no medicine, no cure, just a mask and a ledger. People look at you with fear, not respect. You are the messenger of death, not its cure. Soon, there are too many bodies. You're ordered to inspect corpses, sign death certificates, and oversee mass burials. Rats run over your feet. The grave pits are filled with hundreds. Your gloves rot from use. Your mask's herbs no longer block the smell. You vomit inside the mask more than once. Still, you work, because if you refuse, you'll be thrown in with the rest. One day, a child coughs in your face. Your mask slips. You feel a fever that night. Within days, your lymph nodes swell. You can't walk. You try to treat yourself, leeches, bloodletting, prayer. Nothing works. You realize, as you lie in your bed alone, you are not a healer. You were just a witness. Your body is found days later, tossed in a cart, burned with the rest. The job of plague doctor wasn't noble. It wasn't powerful. It was hopeless, terrifying, and often fatal. You were a symbol, not a solution. Would you have taken the job? Could you survive the Black Death? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more stories like this, where you don't just learn history, you live it.